Hello and a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Thanks for tuning in for this 3D illustration I put together in Adobe Dimension of what I speculate might be a type of a structure, outpost, or maybe some type of derelict experiment. This is in Icaria Fossae in the region where the Mars 3 lander's mission was planned. Let's have a look at the original photograph, the anomaly, and the rendering. So the photograph is found in this one called Possible Olivine-Rich Crater in Terra Sirenum. And it was acquired by the MRO on the 19th of June 2011 at a resolution of 25.1 centimeters per pixel. I'll be showing you images are cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just under 660 megabytes in size. And there's a look at the low-res black and white and the really odd terrain in this region. The site is located up here to the north of Clark, which is down here to the south, about 300 kilometers down to the south. The Mars 3 lander mission was planned for this region of Icaria Fossae, and the site we're looking at is located right there at 49 degrees 26 minutes south, 136 degrees 44 minutes west. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies at that site towards the end of the video. So there it is, folks, right there in the center of the screen, the strange rectangular structured item about 5 to 6 meters across. And if we take a closer look, this is why I decided to do this illustration, because of the strange part. It's curled over facing a spherical object in the center of this rectangular object. It's got rounded corners to it. So as I say, folks, is this a possible abandoned outpost? Are we looking at the top of a radar system here? Some type of technology? Could it even be a derelict experiment? And there's what I speculate we might be looking at. The astronauts are approximately 2 meters tall. This gives you an idea of the scale and size of this object. We don't know how deep it is buried in sand and debris. The part that's sticking out is very similar to what I've illustrated there. I'm sure you'll agree with me. There's some design to this structure. Let's have a look at a few of the other anomalies in this photograph. There in the center of the screen we've got this strange square artifact, what looks like a hole in its center, or is this smaller object casting that shadow? The straight edges and right angles to this item just looks highly artificial. And we're looking at this strange, what looks like wrecked structure. Check out the edges. Go 1, 2, 3, 4 visible straight edges to this, and it looks like we have a rectangular part protruding out of the center. So the slots in the sides here make this look rather artificial, almost metallic in nature, these bent down edges. Then we're looking at the strange disc located in the center of the image, and it's about 4 meters in diameter. Looks like it's raised off the surface with openings here on the sides. It looks almost like whatever this is invented in the past. Then we're looking at the alignment of those smaller objects on that artifact. Check this out, folks. We got 3 in a triangular shape, following the outline of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sided object. Also the rectangular part here on the side is rather odd. And we've got this rectangular block with this dome-like feature on the top. Right, let's head down to that site and take a look at the anomalies. So we've got Clark over here to the south, and that site right up here to the north near Nansen. There's a look at those anomalies briefly again, and some of the others I didn't feature in the main presentation. These 2 items just stick out like sore fingers. So guys and girls, let me know in the comments below what you think this might be. Is it just a natural formation caused by some weird geological process, or is this possibly some type of ancient derelict structure? I look forward to reading your comments. Let's have a chat and see if we can't figure out what this might be. To me it looks like some type of experiment that involved magnetism, who knows. Is it a ventilation system perhaps? Folks, I hope you enjoyed this one. Take care. I'll see you in the next one very soon. Cheers for now.